The prayer. It consists of a series of formal prostrations, genuflections, pious statements, and supplications. The prayers are in the Arabic language. The prayers require reading from the Quran, our holy book. The prayers are offered 5 times a day: at dawn, noon, afternoon, sunset, and nightfall. The prayers must be attended on time as Allah stated. Prophet Muhammad ﷺ also stressed on the prayers and made it the thin line between belief and disbelief. As he said, the covenant between us and those infidels, Jews, Christians, polytheists is the prayer. Whomever leaves it, he disbelieved. Narrated by Al-Bukhari.